Every cryptocurrency needs a way to keep its network secure and to decide who earns new coins. In Bitcoin, that's called mining. In newer blockchains like Ethereum 2.0 or Cardano, it's staking. Both reward users, but they work very differently. Today, we'll unpack how crypto is actually created and earned, and which method makes more sense in 2025. First, let's understand why mining and staking exist. In traditional banking, a central server verifies every transaction. In crypto, thousands of computers must agree. This agreement process is called a consensus mechanism. Mining uses proof of work. Staking uses proof of stake. Different paths, same goal, keep the network honest and secure. In proof of work systems like Bitcoin, miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve it gets to add the next block to the blockchain and earn new coins as a block reward plus transaction fees. Think of it as a massive lottery powered by computing power. The more hardware you have, the better your odds. Mining keeps the network decentralized, but it's energy intensive. Bitcoin's global mining power uses more electricity than some small countries. Proof of stake flips that model. Instead of competing with hardware, participants lock up their coin. This is called staking. The network randomly selects a validator from those stakers to add the next block. The more you stake, the higher your chance of being chosen. Validators earn rewards in the same cryptocurrency for keeping the system secure. It's faster, more energy efficient, and anyone can join, even with a laptop. Let's break down the main differences. Energy. Mining burns power. Staking sips it. Hardware. Mining needs expensive rigs. Staking only needs coins and an internet connection. Entry cost. Mining equals thousands in setup. Staking equals whatever amount the blockchain requires. Rewards. Mining pays block rewards. Staking pays yield on locked coins. Security. Both secure the network, but proof of work relies on computation. Proof of stake relies on skin in the game. Bitcoin is the largest proof of work network. Over 19 million BTC have been mined so far. Ethereum, once a mining network, shifted to staking in 2022. Now, thousands of validators earn around 4 to 5% APY by staking ETF. Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana are also proof of stake networks, rewarding users daily for helping secure their systems. Profit depends on cost and risk. Mining profits shrink when electricity prices rise or block rewards halve. Staking rewards drop when more people stake or token prices fall. Mining gives you fixed coins for work done. Staking gives you yield based on time and amount locked. For most individuals in 2025, staking offers easier, cheaper, and more predictable returns without burning your power bill. Globally, the trend is shifting from mining to staking. It's greener, scalable, and fits the world's push for sustainability. Still, mining won't vanish. Bitcoin will likely remain proof of work forever, while most new projects choose proof of stake or hybrid models. Mining built the crypto world. Staking is helping it evolve. One depends on machines, the other on participation. Together, they keep blockchains alive. So, which side are you on? The miners or the stakers? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto economy.